When people first enter trading, they often dream about profits, the big wins, the quick gains, the freedom that money can bring. But the truth is, the traders who last, the ones who make it into that 1%, don't obsess over profits. They obsess over risk. Think about it. The market is unpredictable. No matter how skilled you are, no matter how advanced your strategy is, losses will happen. The difference between an amateur and a professional IS&T, whether they lose it as how much they lose, and how they manage that loss when it comes. For most traders, the temptation is always there to go all in, to double down after a loss, to risk more than they can afford in the hope of making it back quickly. This is how accounts get wiped out. The 1% trader thinks differently. Their focus is not how much can I make, but how much can I afford to risk without destroying my capital. Risk management is about survival first. Growth's second. Capital is your oxygen. Without it, you can't breathe. You can't trade. You can't play the game. That's why the elite protect it at all costs. They set stop losses, not because they are afraid of losing, but because they understand that taking a small, controlled loss is the cost of staying in the game long enough to win big later. They size their positions carefully, never risking more than a small percentage of their account on any single trade. They know that even a string of losses won't break them, because their system is built for endurance. The average trader wants quick success. The professional builds sustainable success. What's more, risk management isn't only about numbers. It's about mindset. It's the discipline to accept that not every trade will be a winner, and the wisdom to step back when things stand to go your way. It is the humility to let go of the fantasy of perfection and embrace the reality of probability. When you master risk management, trading becomes less stressful. Fear begins to fade because you know no single trade can destroy you. Greed is controlled because you stick to your rules and respect your limits. And over time your account grows not in wild spikes and crashes, but in a steady, upward curve. The irony is powerful. The traders who focus on protecting their capital end up making more in the long run than those who chase profits. Because for the 1%, risk isn't something to fear, it's something to respect, to measure, and to control. So, if you truly want to step into the mindset of the elite, shift your perspective. Stop asking, how much can I win? Start asking, how much can I lose and still be in the game tomorrow? Protect your capital as if it's your life, because in trading, it is. Master risk, and you master the game.